Hello guys! Finally we are improving our Russian. Today I will speak about plural form and noun. So in English it's not so difficult. You can put just s at the end and sometimes you have to use exceptions. And of course in Russian we have them also. It's not s at the end but something else. But E. We have E at the end if we want to say something plural, in plural form. So, let's see. The first, our rule that these letters can't be in pair with the letter U. Do you see this letter? U. We have them. So, impossible to put them together. For instance, K, U, K, you can't say. You will not find any word in English with some letters, and in Russian we can find K, U, G, U, H, U, Ch, U, Ž, U, Š, U, Š, U. You can't pronounce them together. So maybe it sounds like that, but when you spell it, you can see that instead of U, it's E. So should be E at the end. So, for instance, one first noun will be Vilka. Vilka. Vilka, it means fork. Fork. But 5, 3, 4 will be Vilki. E at the end. So, to see that it's plural, you have to put E at the end. Just use them like that. So, Vilka, Vilki. 3 Vilki. 3 Vilki. 5 million. We can say it is Vilki. Это Vilki. So, книга, книга. Книга in Russian, it's a book. So, книга, one, одна книга. But if we want to see a lot, we have to say книги. Книги. Книга, книги. Книги. Next word, мяч. Мяч, it's a ball, but a lot of will be мячи. E at the end. So мяч, мячи. Книга, книги. Вилка, вилки. So easy. You can use just E at the end. At the end, you can see this letter, not U, by the way. So that's why before I explained you this information, I told you that these letters can't be in pair with U. So you can't see a U at the end. So, but we have some exceptions. Like in English we have and will be different in the word. So, for example, человек. So, like in English, you have person, but people. Do you see? It's different. The same we have человек, люди. Люди in the plural will be absolutely different word. So, люди, people. Человек, person. Okay, human, you can say. So here also, ребенок, дети. Ребенок, children. Child, дети. So, ребенок, дети. Also two different words because it's exception. Next one, дом. Дом, house. Дом. But дома just are at the end. Why it's exception? Because it's not e at the end. That's why. Okay? So, город, город, city, города. So, cities. So, are just at the end and will be different word. Города, город. Город один, города a lot, много. So, стул, chair, стул. Стулья. Стулья. It's a lot. So again, it's exception because it's not e at the end. Stool, one chair, стулья, a lot of chairs. Брат, brother, братья, you see here, братья, мягкий знак and я at the end, as you see, will be at the end because it's like exception, but in plural you can see братья. Брат, братья. Много братьев. Next, сын, сыновья. Сын, сыновья. A lot. So, сыновья. Сын, сыновья. Сын. One person, один сын, but a lot of, we can say, сыновья. And last one, друг, it's like a friend, and friends we say in English, but in Russian it's exception, we can say друзья, друзья. So, друг, one person, друзья, a lot. So, do you see here? It's like in any language we have a lot of exceptions, but it's not a lot, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 exceptions. So, in other words, you just use, like I told you, with e at the end if you want to say it in plural. So, I hope this lesson so useful for you. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm here anyway.